두얀으로 출발합니다. 오늘은 저희 신우 남편 산책. Already announcement it will be increasing.
The rice will be 70 per kilo.
Rice? Oh my god. 시골은 더 비쌀 건데 여기는 시골 시장에 가면 다 여기 시티에 와서 칼군 시장에서 물건을 떼다가 팔기 때문에 훨씬 더 비싸거든요. 다음에 두양 갈 때는 여기서 장 좀 봐다가 그렇게 가야 될 것 같아요.
We just wanna move free, unchained. Come the moonlight, we'll dance on the streets with open arms. If the world catches us in bliss, we'll be gone
우와.
before their time.
What the? Really
We'll scribble dreams on the
double.
city walls.
Double.
Skipping steps, no time to stall. When the dust hits swift, hearts expand, graffiti souls.
Yan! Basa! Slowly lang, slowly. 또 따라온 거야. 두야 도착했습니다.
안녕하세요. 미안합니다.
Say
안녕하세요.
properly.
안녕하세요. Marky Itoy.
안녕하세요.
Never mind my hair, ma'am.
네.
입니다.
감사합니다. 안녕하세요. Marky입니다.
아.
왕이입니다.
안녕하세요. 이안입니다.
BJ already graduation high school. Allah. Huh? Then college still midterm. You also midterm. High school all final exam.
Tomorrow.
Only tomorrow? Only one day ra? I think you never miss me.
I miss you,
Oh,
ma.
what the?
Plastic.
Never miss me.
Miss me, ma.
Huh? And then
Miss, ma.
never reply me when I chat
Miss
you.
ma'am. School, ma'am. Miss
What?
school.
What the? Ian, how's the competition last time? The cheer dancing?
Only rank 7.
Rock 7?
Rank
Rank 7?
top 7.
Top 7? How many teams?
23.
Oh, that's good. So maybe next year, challenge again.
Ikaw nang isa.
Top 8.
Mm.
Top 8 na.
Laban-laban.
Laban na nito,
Ikaw na iitsa ba?
Always balance ba balance. Not only the activity, also the grace. Huh? Marque still what?
Agli, ma'am. Still agli.
What the kuya? Huh? What the bad kuya? Huh? Marque still the what you call it?
Honor.
Big Simon.
Dili.
Top.
Top
Top sarap.
top of the mountain. Huh? Still good grace, no?
Libutan natin bro.
One subscriber still remember you and you really good at painting. You just try na this one. This time I just buy all of you one each ba? The for facial. Facial wash. Only face ha, not for the body.
In here, ma'am.
Boy.
Mali rin.
Only for face ha.
Sakto kayo? Gamay ba ya? Ang musulog may gamay.
It's a new, brand new ba? Brand new. This one, the all for the paintings. All. Nice school stuff also.
For sniper rifle.
Folders and notebook. Share with the imagination. What? Few months you have to study? the exam. That one also need graduation.
That's allowance mo.
No enrollment term or huh? Enroll, no? After you the training center in Manila, that one also free. It's all from government. Why you convert tambo?
Asa itong uban? Uwan niya din ako.
This time already only start 9 na pala. Not 7 na pala.
Diyan ang break niya.
Way better than before, no? Ikaw,
Huh?
how about your grades first semester?
Ano? Or pass?
All pass.
Oh.
Of course, you have to all pass, but how? Grades.
Pass. 1 point.
1 point.
1.5. Highest ba 1.5? Lowest ay 2.5.
So you have no plan to change your major subject or change the school something? Just continue.
Tutorial how to open a candy. First, hold it like this. Then, ito tawag. Rip. Then,
Buddy, really long hair. Ako,
Ala,
mm.
like a bungson man ba?
Oh, I have a new razor, I did not use for the dog.
Only that.
Only for you. Huh?
Oh, ganun, special naman, no?
Oh.
Special. Oh.
this mask.
Oh, I just give the teacher what I'm gonna give for your graduation.
Ma'am, lechon baboy.
Baboy. One baboy.
One baboy? You want baboy?
1
You
kilo,
bring
ma'am.
to Manila with you.
Ikaw ko dako.
1 kilo.
What if you fail the exam?
No, ma'am. No.
What if
Try again.
you try again?
Try na
Oh,
again.
yeah, that's what I mean. Try again. If you want, you can just try again.
Ano, taas na.
Sitting.
For the dream.
Yeah. That's what you want since before. You remember before we talk about wanna be in the future? You just said Coast Guard. Now you can make your dream come true.
Ako kayo, Coast Guard, apply kay Lesoy.
Lifeguard.
Huh?
There's a lifeguard in Isuyan Spring.
Make your dream bigger. Huh?
12
Ano, this one na?
1, 2, 3,
In English,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
OG.
Yeah.
And this one is F.
Yeah, if it's
Under.
bottom, NG.
If it's
The
No
silent. Yeah, silent.
and then this one S.
No, the G.
Sana, doon, notebook yun ang pagbasa na.
This one, ano?
So,
No,
jang.
may S, notebooks.
Jang.
Notebooking.
How about Marque? Marque, you always have a good grades. So you already have a plan after graduation?
Oh. Criminal.
Criminal.
Criminal? You mean criminology?
No.
What?
Okay, this one is criminal.
Engineering.
Engineering?
Oh, criminal engineering. In my school, back to you.
Same with your school? What do you mean engineering? What do you mean engineering?
Civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Yeah, I remember. You said before, civil engineering. I heard that civil engineering is good job. Huh? But it's also very hard to pass the board exam, no?
Many pastors in city as well. Just this.
CTU? Really? Oh. How about you? You're the last one.
Professional tambay.
Huh?
Professional. Kuan.
Wow. YouTuber? Huh?
Oh.
I think the YouTuber is fit on you.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
The Empire State of Mind we glow. With every step we claim this town. Our laughter echoes, won't back down.
For your pimple.
We just wanna feel joy.
true.
If the
will
world
just pray for
catches
you,
us in bliss, we'll
Thank you,
be
Mom.
gone before their time. We'll scribble dreams on the city walls.
Once na mahuman na si 30 minutes. Automatic si Google Form mo close na siya. Bisan nung saon ninyong submit, dili na siya mo reflect ninyong mga answer, dili na tawagon. So that means zero mo. Forward na po sa inyong GC. Textures na yung kama, use of powdered sugar, kama, cocoa.
Where are you going?
School. Pay for exam.
Exam?
Oh.
When is exam?
Tomorrow until next week.
So it's a midterm?
Oh, midterm.
Still midterm?
Ito na.
Sa baboy o sa manok.
Ah, oh. Uy! Shh! Ay! Ay! Uy! Punggu야! Punggu, really make my... Oh, yeah. 아이! 이스보이는 월요일, 화요일이 온라인 수업이고 나머지는 이제 학교 가서 수업을 하는데 다른 학교들은 다 대면 수업으로 바뀌었거든요. 그래서 왜 아직도 온라인 수업을 하냐고 물어봤더니 헬로 학생 수가 너무 많아가지고 그걸 다 수용을 못하나 봐요. 그래서 예전에 우리 뭐 오전반, 오후반 나눠서 하듯이 지금은 이제 온라인 수업이 가능하니까 월화만 온라인 수업을 하고 나머지는 이제 학교 가서 수업을 하고 그렇게 한다고 해요. 짜잔. 여러분들 돼지 너무 궁금하셨죠? 네, 돼지부터 먼저 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 짜잔. 야, 이 화면으로 봤을 때 하고 직접 보니까 사이즈가 완전 다른 것 같아요. 직접 보니까 진짜 크네요. 어디 찍어야 좀 잘 나오게 찍겠나? 무슨 소리야? 저 이빨 가는 건가? 이 조금만 커도 이 정도인데 그때 7마리 다 살아있다면 완전 진짜 여기 돼지우리가 꽉 찼을 텐데 이미 벌어진 일 자꾸 생각하면 뭐 하겠습니까 나는. 막상 돼지를 와서 딱 보니까 제일 먼저 그 생각이 들더라고요. 얘네들이 지금 레촌에 딱 알맞는 사이즈가 됐다고 하더라고요. 그래서 팔기가 아주 좋은 시기가 이제 됐는데 지금부터 이제 팔기 전까지는 아주 스페셜한 사료를 먹여야 된다고 하더라고요. 그래서 어제 새로운 사료를 샀습니다. 어딨지? 몰라? 응? 분명 여기 놔둔 거 봤는데.